In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy React apps on Vercel. If you've already built your React app and you're ready to put it online, Vercel makes the process very fast and beginner friendly. The main idea is simple. Your project lives in a code repository, Vercel connects to that repository, and then it builds and publishes your app for you. To get started, make sure your local React project has been uploaded to a repository on GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. This is an important first step because Vercel pulls your code directly from one of those platforms. If your app is only saved on your computer, Vercel won't be able to access it yet. So before moving on, confirm that your latest version of the project has been pushed to your repository. Once that's done, head over to Vercel and choose the option to continue with GitHub. If your project is hosted on another supported platform, the overall process is very similar, but in this walkthrough, we're using GitHub. After signing in, Vercel will connect to your account so it can view the repositories you want to deploy. Depending on your setup, you may need to grant access to specific repositories, so just make sure the correct project is available. After you're inside the Vercel dashboard, click Add New and then select Project. This is where you tell Vercel which application you want to deploy. The dashboard is designed to keep this process straightforward, so if you're new to it, don't worry, you're only a few clicks away from getting your app live. Next, locate your React repository in the list and click Import. If you have several repositories, take a moment to verify that you're choosing the correct one. Importing the right project is essential, especially if you manage multiple apps or different versions of the same codebase. Now you'll arrive at the configuration screen. Here, click Configure and Deploy. In many cases, Vercel can automatically detect that your project is a React app and apply sensible default settings for the build and output. That's one of the reasons it's such a popular choice for front-end deployments. Before deploying, it's always a good idea to quickly review the configuration to make sure everything matches your project. Once you deploy, Vercel will begin building your app and then publish it to a live URL. After the deployment finishes, you'll be able to open that link and view your React app online. And that's it. You've successfully deployed your React app on Vercel.